Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to take off my old nail polish. It's just regular polish. It's not gel polish. And I'm going to put on some nail wraps. This is by Lily and Fox. Let me show you my nail wraps first. I got a lot of nail wraps, y'all. And this is the book I keep them in actually in a photo album. I got all kind of nail wraps. Just a 4x6 photo album. So this is filled with them. And this is some free ones they sent me. They're white. Well, because I sure wouldn't have ordered none like this. Well, it got a little design on it. Okay. So this is the name of the company, Lily and Fox, and I ain't getting paid nothing. So this is free advertising, because I like these a lot. These are the latest ones I got. They're still in the cover. Okay, it's for St. Patrick's Day. I like these a lot. I keep buying them. And I got two of these. I don't like them so much today, but I bought them before, so they must look nice on my nails. So now I'm trying to decide, do I want to wear these or the ones I showed y'all in the beginning? I want this. Yes. Okay. Get out my way. Okay. After I take this off, I have to prep my nails. I have to put on a base coat, clear nail polish, or you can use regular nail polish if you have a transparent nail wrap. Some of them are transparent and then got a little design on it, and your color of your nail polish will show through. But I'll be using this 1 Minute Artificials as my base coat. Got this from Amazon. And it's supposed to repair your nails and make your nails strong. It's going to be my base coat, and it has a little pink tinge to it. And this would be my top coat. Because after you put the nail wraps on, you have to put some polish on them. Clear nail polish. So this here is by Sally Hansen. Mega Strength Ultra Shine Top Coat. You use any top coat or just clear nail polish. And this one here is by Nail Aid 1 Minute Artificials. This was recommended by Lynette Longmire. Okay, her nails are always gorgeous. Always. So I'm going to go off camera and take this polish off. I can't find my cotton balls, so I have to be using these cotton rounds. But whatever gets the job done. And I'm using pure acetone. You can use nail polish remover, but some of them have oil in them. You don't want oil. So I'll see y'all later. Okay, I just took my nail polish off. I'm about to put on my base coat. Okay, so y'all know what that's like. I'm gonna do the first couple of nails. I wash my hands. Push back the cuticle with this, like that. Always make sure your cuticles are not dry. Either put some cuticle oil or cuticle lotion on them, or I just wash my hands and push them back. I didn't have to clip no hangnails or nothing. So, and I filed my nails. So put this on. This is the base coat. It makes the nail wraps stick better and last longer, along with the top coat. Okay, I'm gonna do the other hand, and then I'll do the wraps. Okay, my nails are dry with the base coat. I just cut this open and took this sheet of nail wraps out. So I use Matteson. I'm gonna start with my pinky finger. And I don't mind a little bit of my fingernails showing, so mine don't have to fit from edge to edge on my nail, because when I put on the top coat, that's going to help the nail wrap stay on. It seals it in. So this is how you do. This is for my pinky finger. You fold it back, and there's a top sheet on here. You have to peel that off completely. Peel it off from this end. Then from the other end, you peel the wrap. Peel the wrap. Anchor that wrap back on that paper you just peeled it off of, like that. Then that makes it easy. Give you something to grip onto to put it on your nail. And if you mess up putting it in the wrong place or put it crooked, you can peel it off a couple times and it'll be okay. It's like okay. That's on there. Mash it. Cut this off without cutting your nail. These work on artificial nails too. Make sure it's on there good. So then you just file off the excess. And like I said, I don't care that a little bit of the edge is showing. This is showing. That's okay. So I'm going to put the rest of the nail wraps on. And I'll probably just file them all at the same time. Okay, so this one is done completely. You can't hardly see it. So I'm going to do the rest of these nails. I do little finger, next finger, like that. And it still has enough on there, but I don't fool with that. I'm peeling that clear paper off at that end. Then at the other end, I just peel the nail wrap off. Anchor it on that paper, like that. It's easier to apply because you got something to grip onto. Okay, make sure it's straight. And just cut off the excess. Have you some fingernail snips, scissors, handy. Okay. Make sure it's on there good. And you're not supposed to get your hands wet for a couple hours afterwards. I usually do this at night, so I don't have to cook. But the way I'm going to seal it in with the top coat should be okay. Okay. Okay, these little fingers are done. So I will be back when the rest of them are done, ready for the top coat. Okay, I got both hands done. I've got to put on my top coat. Then I'll be through. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm through. This is my completed nail. Manicure. Okay, so, and you have to make sure you don't have the nail wrap on your skin. It's going to peel off when water gets up under it. So, and these are my nails. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hey, honey. Hello. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.